Good evening everyone and welcome to today's class. So regarding the last video I did, I kind of discovered that the video was actually having a audio glitch. So today's class won't be like that. I've actually rectified the audio sound we having initially. So today's class now we'll be just doing some little tricks and formatting. That's what we'll be doing today. I'm going to be introducing to three formatting. That's going to be the bold, italic, underline, and I'll be introducing to two shortcuts in which you can use in deleting words instead of letter. That's so if you click deleting letter by letter, and also I'll be introducing on how to select words instead of you highlighting everything at once. So let's get started. Now let's say for an example you are typing. I don't really know what you're doing. Let's just say assume you are doing something. Now I needed to bold a particular word. The way you can do it is you have two ways. The first way is by highlighting the word in which you want to bold. You control B, or you go to the tab where there is B in which I'm going to show you today. So let's give the two a trial. Now I'm going to underline, sorry, I'm going to bold this my uncle using Ctrl B, and I'm going to go to the tab and use B, and I'm going to undo it. Now the first I'm going to do is Ctrl B. That's what you do. Dial Ctrl CTRL and B, or for this class sake, let me turn on my on-screen board. A minute please. That's my on-screen board. Alright, hold on. Yeah, I think we're good. Now, as I've said before initially, let me undo it. Now, I said I'm going to use Control and B to highlight, sorry, to bold my uncle. So, Control and B, automatically it will bold it for you. And if you want to undo what you bold, Control and Z to undo it. Now let's come again. I said if you want to bold it, you hold your Control key, then tap on your letter B. That's the way you bold. And if you don't want to go through that process, you can just come to this up menu side where there is B here, this B icon. You can see it's also bringing out the shortcut. Just click on it. Automatically it's going to bold the uncle, only the uncle, because that's the only thing they actually highlighted. Now if for a fact they actually selected everything, let's say Control A, sorry about that, Control A, that's for highlighting all, which I talked about in the last class. Everything's highlighted and I needed to bold everything. As I've said before, Control and B, sorry about that, Control and B. Oh, sorry, it's not going to work that way. Control then B, everything will bold. And if you want to undo it again, you can still hold your Control and B to undo what you've actually bold. Now that's that with boards. Now let's go to underline or italic. So highlight it. The shortcut for italic is your Control and I. That's going to be for italic. Let me come again. Control, then your I. If you don't want to go through that process, you can just come over here, just tap on it. That's all. It's going to change. And for your underlining, you can do the same thing. Highlight what you want to underline, then Control U. You're going to underline it. So let's say, oh, that's that for that for now. If you have any question, you can actually ask. So let's say now, that's what we'll be doing now. Okay, now let's talk about you deleting, or let's say clearing words that you don't need. Now let's say I want to remove my uncle. I don't want to do it clicking on the backspace. I want to tap on it, 1111 to be removing it. I don't want to do that. Let me move my keyboard up. Sorry about that. This is what I'm doing. Okay, instead it's showing delete, so I don't want to click on this delete to be removing it, 111. What I could just do is I could just click on my control, right, and backspace. It remove each word. Instead of it cleaning deleting it 111, you can just take out a word at a time to save you time and stress. That's one trick I'll be showing you today. Now let's say, what are we going to be doing today? You want to highlight, I just want to highlight, let me just say this stairs and this down. I want to bold the two at the same time. If I'm to do it like that, if I should move this way, you can actually observe that it's actually highlighting what I don't need. So if I don't want to do that now, the way I can just select only this down and stairs is by holding my alt key and my alt key and backspace. So I need to select, sorry about that, my alt key backspace. I need to select what I want. Said if you want to select only keywords, so probably I want to select, okay, let me say wish and uncle. I want to select that. You're saying you are going to hold your control and space bar. Now for my system now, I'll need to hold the function key because my alt alone cannot work. There are some system in which only the alt won't work like that, so always take a look at your keyboard. If there's an FN key, that's a function key, you have to hold it with your alt and space bar before you can move to actually carry out this task. So let's give it a try. As I said before, your FN key, your alt key and space bar, the three together, then highlight the particular words you want to highlight. I said wish and uncle, so those are going to be the words that will be highlighted. And let's say Control B to bold it. That's that for that. So imagine I'm not holding those function key, I'm trying to select wish and uncle. I'll be selecting other stuff I don't actually need. So for that being said, these are going to be today